In this video, I would like to explain the functionality and how you use the new style promo functionality of XpertMart. As you know, we have the promotions catalog, and it's a way of putting in promotions. And what the style promo functionality is going to do is be able to add multiple promotions in a easier fashion. Let's take a quick look. Obviously, we don't want to go over the whole promotions module, but in the promotions module, if you've had some training, at the top part is what is required to get a promotion. And in this case, the style promos will generate promotions. We'll only be able to set a name for the promotion, whether it's active or not, whether it's okay to combine, and whether we want it for a limited date range or not, and then for the suggested price list. There will be no requirements for style promos. This is fun. The style promos will be when you just want to simply put a certain style on sale without any requirements to buy anything else. So that we'll see in a minute in the screen of style promos. It will set that automatically. And then on the bottom, again, all of this in the bottom, very little is going to be set by the style promos. We're always going to be setting a style benefit. We're going to be specifying what style, and we're always going to be specifying that it's a discount percentage, and we're going to put the percentage of the discount. So let's take a look. We go over to catalogs, and we've added under promotions this new option that's called style promos. So as we open that, it looks like a traditional XpertMart document or transaction. And again, here's where you'd put the name of the promotion. Here, the employee's number is put automatically. The date is put automatically. It's automatically assigned a serial number. And here's where we can choose whether we want limited dates or not, and if so, what date we start and what day we end, and whether we want it active or not. By default, it's active, but if you wish to make a bunch of style promotions that are not active yet, then you can take that off. Again, you have the flag here, okay to combine. You have which price list this is going to apply for, and if you want to use a coupon or not. And if you acquire a coupon, then which coupon code and a picture of the coupon. And on the bottom, finally, there are some statistics or ways to keep track. Distribution would be if you want to track how you let people know that you had this promotion going. The manager will be the person that is in charge of suggesting and supervising this promotion, and the market would be what is your target market for this promotion. So again, very simply, we'll go over here to number. Again, we could set these things up here, but right now I just want to show you the functionality of it. Let's say limited dates, and let's not set the dates right now, but we can go in the numbers, and if your styles start with or alphanumeric and not just numbers, you can do, for example, CA and at the beginning of the style, and if there's only one style that starts with the letters you put in there, it'll be put on here, okay? A description of the style, a purchase description. The list price is going to be taken from the styles catalog, and the only thing we're going to capture is, let's say for example here, we want to put 10% off. That's the only field we're going to capture or enter on this style promos. So the list price is taken from the styles catalog, and the discounted price is shown on the screen here, but that's not going to be recorded. What we're saying is every time you encounter this style, take the list price for this list, the price list we've suggested here, take that list price at that suggested price or at that price list, apply this discount. So if you change the price in the styles catalog, it doesn't care. It's not going to put this price. It's going to put that price minus the discount. So we're only defining discount percentages for the styles. So we can go over here. If we put something that has more than one, like with the letter G, then we're going to get the style chooser, which you've probably seen if you've used XpertMart some. It has the name of the style, the brand, the department, and the size run. And so you can pick which style you want off of here. We'll go ahead and pick this one. We put it on here, and every style on the style promo can have a different percentage. We're going to put 20% on that one. And finally, we'll come along and pick another style that only has one option, and let's say we do 30% on this one. So we have 3, and that is sufficient to do this. Once you click print, it can be set up. In this case, I believe it's set up to print on a PDF printer, but you can set it up to print on any graphical printer. In this case, we can put here style promo demo, and it's going to print a PDF, and we'll be able to see the PDF of what it prints in a moment here. Close this. Okay, so here's the style just printed out basically what we had on the screen, and so you know what you put in there. No, if we come look over here in the promotions catalog now, we'll see that I guess I forgot to put the name on the promotion, but yes, and so this is the last record it entered. The last line on there was this Marlin, and we put 30% on the Marlin. It's a benefit discount. So all it did was each line of the style promotion becomes a record in the promotions catalog. So we go to the next one, and we're going backwards here from bottom up. And so we have the Gabby with 20%, and finally the Calanda with 10% discount. Quite simple. Let me just mention one more thing before closing this up. Again, obviously you have the promotions, and you can run, there's reports that you can run on the promotions catalog. But if we go under catalogs promotions, we also, instead of having documents, style promos, you go in here, you're going to pick a report to run. And basically right now we're just giving you the report that says style promotion date. So if I put preview on that, all I'm going to do is give it a range of dates, and I'm going to put today's date. And here we have, I had already made another style promotion earlier, and so here we have two different style promotions. If you'll notice, they're different, the amounts on there, and the numbers right here is this one was 17, and this was 10,018. So that is a quick introduction to the Styles Promo module. Very simple to use. That was the whole point. And any questions, obviously, we'll be here to answer them for you. Thank you.